Alright, welcome to part 6 of the TTR build. It is June 13th. I've really been lacking on this project. Taken way too long to get this little progress this far into the... This is going to be one of the last videos in the project. It'll be running pretty soon. We're going to get the wiring done, the carb line hooked up. If it cranks, I'll be happy. After that, we can do all the little stuff like brakes, oil. I really want to get this thing running because Chicago has some nice ride out. I want to take this thing and I'm going to get my YZ250F fixed. Here we go. So it's been about half an hour to an hour. I've been doing a lot of reading because I'm getting the wiring tidied up. I started routing the wires kind of around and I'm pretty sure everything is hooked up. This wire was confusing me because it's kind of sticking out of nowhere. On Thumper Talk, which is actually a really good website, they're saying that it just doesn't do anything. These two ground hookups I'm just going to put straight to the battery. My only concern with this is that I need a thicker gauge wire. Everything else should be in place. The on and off switch, there's a kill switch here. All these are hooked up. I will update you as soon as something happens because it's a lot of boring work right now. Alright, basically, I'm gonna get the bike out of here. The bike's over there. I gotta get it down to the floor. So, instead of getting the forklift through here, which is gonna be tough, I'm just gonna use the scissor lift and try to roll the bike onto it. I don't have a kickstand and the handlebars might be too wide to fit in there, but I need to get this thing out of here because it's just taking up space and I'm almost done anyway. Okay, so it's up, really pretty narrow. That only goes up so far. This is definitely one of the more sketchy things I've done. I thought I was being slick. Oh, I smacked my shin on my bike. As soon as I tried to move it, I just knocked it over. And my shin went straight into the swing arm. Let me pause it so I don't get copyright. This has to go there. And then my dad brought up a good point. As soon as I get it down to the ground, it's still like 4 feet up. I'm gonna drive the scissor lift to one of the cranes hanging down there, and I'm going to lift it out of here. This is way sketchier than I thought it would be. The wheel doesn't even... Shit. I have one more idea before I throw it off the ledge. I'm gonna try getting a ratchet strap on there. Look at that. How sexy. I mean sketchy. Sketchy, not sexy. Whatever you see in this video, I really don't think you should try at home. Like, in all honesty, I'm kind of an idiot. I kind of got a ratchet strap on the bike. That's not sketchy at all. Lift up. Okay, we're off the ground a lot more.
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
Oh, shoot. I can almost touch the lights. Alright, now we'll lift this hoe. Oh! That scared the shit out of me. Okay. I guess. What the heck? Dang. I'm like a pro joystick video game player. I kind of didn't think about this again. The crane moves that way?
Yeah. Yeah, like about another 1.5 foot. Oh yeah, that's good.
Alright, now we just lower it. Just do the slow speed, I guess. I'm gonna ride it in the air. That's enough space dirt bike. Battery, oil, gas time. This is actually pretty exciting. This thing is a pain in the ass. Now that safety first. Yo, for real though, who keeps peeing on the toilet seat? Lift it up! I pretty much found out what oil and what gas I need. I'm at Farm and Fleet. You can kind of see.
1 hour later.
We're taking a quick break. This shit does not bump.
No bumpage.
No bumpy.
No bumpage.
We had to stop at a car show real quick. Mine would show them up. Yours would smoke all of them. So many cars. The whole bed is carpeted and then that's leather. The nicest car at the whole show. What do we got? Is it tooted? Oh, she's tooted! We're trying to settle the subs. I thought mine were 12s, but the thing says they're 10s.
Here's our 12.
Bro, those look like 6s.
They're 10s. Okay, measure them from side to side. 10s.
2 hours later.
That took way too long. I ended up stopping at the car show like you saw. Walmart barely had anything, so I got a battery that's a little bit too small, I think. Oil, who knows if that's good or not, but it'll work. Mode deploy. Good enough. Okay. Oh, shoot. I have to fill it, then charge it. I'm gonna do that at home. I bought it too small because I didn't want to buy an oversized one and then have to return it. Oh yeah, that fits. I can just put foam in there. At least I know that I have stuff that'll work. The bike's almost done. It shouldn't take more than another 1 or 2 days to get like running. I would trust that he rebuilt it well, since you know you'd want to ride it after you rebuild it. Yo, what's up? We got Josh, and we're here to pick up the dirt bike. And the TTR series should be pretty much done. Here it is, all in the van. We just gotta get it strapped down, and maybe Josh can ride it in the back. And
What?
just stay on it while I drive. We got the dirt bike in, and it's pretty solid. So, time to go home, then finish there. I just needed to get it out of here so that there's more room in the shop and it's easier to just ride. Wake up, Josh. We're here, and the motorcycle's here, and we're so hyped. Let's hop out. What's up, Mom? Here it is. Okay. Pretty sure this is not what my mom wanted our garage to look like. Actually, I should wear this.
I don't think that's the kind of chain you're supposed to wear.
The wiring and the battery are in. And here is a moment of truth. We're gonna see if it cranks. Oh yeah. That is a great sign. I really hope that it's not dry. I can't really see the oil level too well. And there's no dipstick. The designers of this motorcycle were kind of stupid. There's no kickstart, no dipstick. Electrical system you literally have to shove inside a box. It's whack. But at least we're one step closer to riding. Real quick, I had to check where the fuel hose was. I'm not going to put gas in it till I hear it like fire. So here goes nothing. Actually, one second. I'm wiring the clutch cable so I can crank with one hand. Here we go. fires. That's good. So now, just gotta make sure there's oil in it. Then the chain can go on. Then I need to get my throttle tube, which I don't know where I put that. It should be rideable. It's missing like half its plastics. I think it's safe to put gas in the tank now. Basically, air filter has to be oiled, and I have some oil left over for my pit bike. I might just like, boop. Shoot. Oh, oil is so slippery. Oh my gosh. I can't rip a paper towel. And the oil in the filter is basically just to catch dirt that flies through. Well, fools, that's delicious smelling. Going on the bike. Frick you, Josh. Air filter on. I took this off because it was getting in the way, and I don't feel like taking the box apart again. I checked, there's oil in the engine. It's pretty full, so I don't think I need to add any of that. The only thing that it needs is a throttle tube, but I took the old one out of the garbage. Luckily I kept it, so like maybe you can kind of ride it around the yard. Yeah, we're definitely gonna need a new one though, so. All right, gas time.
Gasolina.
It looks
Dame
pretty sketchy
gasolina.
still. I swear, if this still leaks.
Delicious. I said yeah.
Okay. On reserve. I don't have an overflow tube, so if you start seeing gas come out of random places, tell me. Alright. Looks good though. Let's give it a go. Oh. Why is it so far?
Oh yeah. Why is it smoking?
Holy crap. This motorcycle is from hell. Holy shit.
It's also street legal. Trust me.
Oh. It doesn't start. Oh. Holy crap. Yeah, where is that coming?
It smells nasty though.
Maybe it's just oil burning off the engine. Alright, well, it runs. It's super loud. Okay, so the chain was too long. I just took off, I think it's 6 links. Used this nut to space the pin off the ground. And then I hit it with a punch and a hammer. And then once it started hitting the surface, I just slid it over the hole and then it came out pretty easily. So that's all that needs to be done for the chain. And honestly, I don't want to put the muffler on, and I don't even have all the screws, so it's gonna be a beast of a bike. Dirt bike time. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
It's like really loud.
It's backfiring.
It's shooting flames, let's go.
No. Put the exhaust pipe on.
Heck no.
Trust me, it's street legal. Josh, it was shooting flames.
Holy crap.
That's
Bruh.
so scary.
Bruh, literally, that's what it sounds like at a 4th of July
I
parade.
can't even get it to like stay running.
First,
Bruh, I hate like choking it, but that's the only way it starts. Yeah, it just dies.
is the carburetor good?
Yeah, I mean it's clean.
Listen to it.
No! As soon as I took my hand. Oh my.
Want me to do a cool transition for you? Wow.
Well, it runs, but kind of crap.
Kinda is an understatement. Would you say that you love this dirt bike, Paul?
No. Freak this dirt bike. It's literally so close, but so far. After taking a ride on this pit bike, practicing my wheelies here, to remind myself what riding feels like since all my dirt bikes are broken, yeah, this is the end of the TTR video, not the build, because it's still not running right. As soon as it's purring like a kitten, that'll be the last video. It kind of runs like a bat out of hell or something. It shoots flames. Yeah, holy crap. I don't know, I'm just hoping that it goes a lot better than it has been. That's the end of this video. Like always, like, comment, subscribe if you like the stuff that you see on this channel, and stay tuned for part 7, the last part of the TTR build.